Class 6. Today we are going to start new chapter which is fiber to fabric. Chapter 3, fiber to fabric. See. Fiber to Chapter 3. Clothing material history. In your first paragraph of your book, there is some history about cloths. We wear cloths mainly to protect our bodies from weather, strong sunlight, extreme cold or heat, and rain. Cloths also protect us from insects. We also wear clothes to make ourselves look smart. That's why many of us want to wear clothes according to latest fashion. The kinds of clothes people wear mainly depend upon climate of place. Woolen cloths in winter, cotton cloths in summer. These are the pattern by which we follow to wear the cloth. The traditional clothes we wear in festivals or in marriage. Cloths are invented even 50,000 and 1 lakh years ago. Long ago, people covered their bodies with animal skin in cold regions and with bark, leaves, and grasses in warmer regions. In most of the place, they wrapped the cloth around themselves like sari, lungi. They used to stitching needles become popular. Now, the next one is types of cloth material. Types of cloth material. What are the types of cloth material? There are mainly some types of cloth material. First is cotton. Before we talk about cloths of material, we talk about fibers. As you see, the fabric are made up of yarn and the yarns are made up of fibers, and there are two kinds of fibers, one is natural and second is synthetic. So fibers are basically come from yarn and it is of two type, first natural and second is synthetic. We know that synthetic is man-made cloths and natural is come from plants or animals. Natural fibers are obtained either from plants, cotton and jute from animals, wool and silk from plants. So these are the natural resource. Cotton, jute, silk, wool. Okay. Synthetic fibers are made from other material, mainly petroleum. Okay. So synthetic fibers are made up of petroleum. In the addition of leather and fur are the material, they not be fiber but which we cloth are made. Leather and fur are obtained from animals. Okay. So cotton is warm, soft fiber that grow around the seeds of the cotton plant. Okay. So first we talk about cotton in a natural fiber. Cotton is a soft fiber that grow around the seeds of the cotton plant. The fruits of the cotton plant is called cotton ball. So cotton ball is basically the fruit of cotton plant. The cotton is warm season crop requiring moderate rainfall. I need a fertile clay soil with good moisture holding capacity. Black soil found in western India and southern India and alluvial soil of northern India are suitable to grow cotton. So basically cotton grow on black soil which are available in western and southern part of the India. Okay, and alluvial soil are found in northern part of India where cotton plant are suitable to grow. Now in India the cotton are sown between May and September, and in difficult part of the country the harvested begin from October. Okay, so in cotton are sown from May to September and harvested in October. Okay. Guinea. Cotton ball burst open after maturing. Fibers are then separated from seeds by combing, and the process called ginning was earlier done by hand. Okay, so how we make a cloth by this cotton? In this way, we have some process by which we obtain cloths from cotton. So first process is ginning. Whatever the cotton balls burst open after maturing, once the cotton ball are matured, it open and gives the cotton, and once we see the seed cover inside the cotton fiber then separated from the seed, and the process is said to be ginning. The removal of seeds from cotton is said to be ginning. And now then after spinning, the fiber are then spun into yarn by the drawing out the twisting the fibers together. We just twist it. How we twist it? See, just we have to yarn. We just twist it. Just twist it. Okay. So this process is said to be spinning. Spinning was traditionally done in India on the hand spindle or spinning wheel, which is said to be charkha. Machines are nowadays used for this purpose. Next is weaving.